guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. So in this video I will be showing you how to do a Indian festive makeup look under 10 minutes. Yes, so you can carry this makeup look for any Indian festival, or even if you are going for a wedding, or if you are a new bride and you want to dress up and you don't have that much time. So this look you can achieve in 10 minutes, and it's a beginners friendly makeup tutorial. So like anyone, even if you are trying makeup for the first time, you guys can also do it. So yes guys, I love how this makeup look turned out, and I am sharing some tricks also in this video. So like do continue watching, like you will learn lots of things. I hope you learn lots of things. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So I will begin by prepping my skin. So guys, for any makeup look, be it a full on glam makeup look, or if you are doing a 10 minutes makeup look, that also like a very light glam makeup look also. So like the most important thing is taking care of skin. So if your skin prep is like on point and you have prepped and like fed your skin properly, then your base will be flawless and your makeup will look perfect. I'm looking for like a good stove cream. Like I know about MAC, but other than that, can you guys suggest me some good stove cream like that is like little illuminating cream? So currently I'm using this Mama Earth cream. Like I'm loving this one, but I wanted to try something new. So yeah, if you guys know, let me know in the comment section. Now I am using primer. I am using Lakme's Absolute Blur Primer. So like I recently only got to know the importance of using a primer. Like it gives a layer between your skin and your makeup, and it gives a fine base for your makeup to stick on. So yeah, apply the primer where you feel that you have pores. So I have pores around this area, and then I drag the product on my face as well, so that like my skin is like covered with primer, and like I have given a very smooth base for my makeup to stick on. And say hello to Bob. Like my pimple is about to come, like as I can see. Like this is irritating me so much, but anyways, what we can do. My goal is to next I'm taking this concealer. It's LA Girl One and Only Pro Conceal. My shade is pure beige. So like I came up with this idea like on, I hope you guys saw my get ready with me on Karwa Chauth. So at that time only I like came up with the idea that like that might be the case for many of like people like me who have very little time for on festival, like because of other like priorities, like you have to take care of your house, kid, work, or like many things are there, that because of that you don't get that much time. So like what we do, we all together skip getting ready, and like for that I thought, why not create a 10-minute makeup tutorial for the people who want to get ready for the traditional makeup look. So like that will be like you can do your makeup under 10 minutes. This video might take little bit long because I am talking side by side. So like this makeup look you can achieve in under 10 minutes, and this is it. I will not do anything else like with my base. So next I will set my face using Maybelline Fit Me. It's a absolutely and fine and gorgeous powder, guys, and do not skip on setting your face, because it's very very important that you set your and like you set your makeup and like lock your makeup, your base, like where it is, so that your foundation, your concealer, like whatever cream products you have applied do not budge. Because like on the festive time, we even if we are going on a wedding or anywhere, like we want lots of like pictures to get clicked and all. So yeah, so make sure that you are setting your face properly, and like do not drag the like powder, just pat and like push the product inside your. I am not applying foundation, but like whatever base powder I am having, I will take it to my neck as well, so that this thing looks in sync. It doesn't look separate, like my face is different and my body is different. We don't want that. So like take the powder little bit onto your neck as well, so that there is no harsh line over here. Next, I will do my eyebrows. I feel this is very important. I'm using Flower Beauty. So like, again, I will say that it is a personal choice. Like, you can or skip, but personally, I feel that you should definitely do your eyebrows. I feel like even if you are like skipping concealer and everything, don't skip on brows, because like it frames your face, it gives a very symmetrical look to your face. Just put do your eyebrows, eyeliner, kajal, lip gloss, that's it, and you are sorted, guys, trust me. So like, as I said, even I'm not a pro at doing my eyebrows. I do a little bit because I don't like boxy. I'm back after doing my eyebrows because again, as I said, I feel it's very personal for everyone. Like, whatever you guys like want to do, I'm learning to do how to do eyebrows properly, because I still feel it's fine but not that great. I still want to improve on that, so let's see. So I recently purchased this Blue Heavens blush. So I will open it. It's still seal packed. So I heard so much about this blush, and like, it comes with the applicator as well. So like, I tried the kajal pencil and it was in green in color, and it was fabulous, guys. Like, the pigmentation, everything, it was so beautiful. It was smudge proof. So I thought that I will give like this blush a go. Look at the color, guys, like, wow. I will take this blush. So my suggestion, like, I am trying to do the easiest makeup look ever that you can achieve in under 2 minutes. That is it, guys. It won't take you that much, because as I said, my focus for this video is to do a traditional makeup look under 10 minutes. Yes. So like, take whatever shade or color you want to apply on your eye. So like, it can be of your dress, your suit, your sari, lehenga, or any outfit, even western wear. Like, this look can go for anything, like literally anything. You can pull off this look. So like, I will take very little because I feel it's very pigmented. So yeah, and like, lightly brush it off on my eyes. It can also go for Diwali makeup look under 10 minutes. Yes, I'm so excited. And then one tip I will give you, that use glitters. Like, during festive season, wedding season and everything, who doesn't love glitters? So anytime you are not able to understand what to do with my eye look, and like somehow you messed up little bit, throw on some glitter and like, it will make everything perfect. Trust me, guys, like, glitter saves everything. For my glitter or something, like, I am using my highlighter. This is my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. The purpose of using these two products is also to show you guys that there are multiple ways that you can use one product. Like, blush you can use as an eyeshadow, or even highlighter you can use as a glitter and topper on your eyeshadow. So I am thinking about making one video where you can use one product in multiple ways, rather than spending so much money on n number of products. Just buy one product that is of supreme quality and you can use it in multiple ways. मैंने eyebrows में थोड़ी गड़बड़ कर दी. Like, this one is looking perfect, I'm loving it, but ये थोड़ा सा dark हो गया, तो ये थोड़ा सा ना मैं बाल ऐसे करके. And guys, if you don't have any brushes, that is also fine, because just take the blush or whatever product you want to use and like swipe it with your finger and just do it, because like, your fingers are the best tools that you can use. So I will show you that with this highlighter. I will take this highlighter. This is so pigmented and beautiful. Guys, did you see that using my finger only I applied the eyeshadow and it's looking beautiful? I am loving it. So yeah, this is it guys. I'm not doing anything more for this eye look. I will apply my eyeliner, kajal, mascara. That's it. So let's move on to the eyeliner. Eyeliner, I am using this Lakme's eyeliner. Like, they make amazing eyeliners guys. Like, it's flawless. And trust me, for Lakme, I love, like, whatever product they come up with. Like, I'm a big fan of Lakme. Let's apply the eyeliner. I tried to keep the eyeliner also like as simple as possible, because I wanted like everyone can achieve this look, because my purpose is to do a makeup tutorial for beginners. Like, I want to do a makeup tutorial step by step that you guys can easily follow and create a very festive makeup look for yourself. I see the eyeshadow, like, look, the golden looks so pretty. As I said, throw on some glitter and it will save your day. Like, if you are not doing any base eyeshadow also, just apply some glitter and you are sorted. Like, it makes everything beautiful. Like, चमकीला किसको नहीं पसंद होता है. Taking my kajal, because Indian looks pe, Indian makeup pe, whatever attire you are carrying, be it simple sari look, or suits or lehenga or anything you are carrying, उस पे like black kajal, like black smoky kind of effect, बहुत pretty लगता है. If you guys wanted to do something little bit extra, what you can do, you can apply this kajal as a line on your eyes and then smudge it little bit, and then you like that looks so beautiful. Because like I think kajal add करने से हर एक उसका look का एक enhance हो जाता है. I feel so. I am planning to do a like makeup look for that one also, like how you can do a look that way. Forgot to show you the product. Like, it's Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Like, this is like amazing. Let me show you one thing guys. Like, I already have one in backup. I just cannot survive without this. Like, this is my like ride or die products, like one of my ride or die products. Like, I have to have one in backup. Like, their products are flawless, amazing. Like, I don't know how they do it at such affordable prices, but yes. Mascara, I am using this Maybelline like Hyper Curl mascara. I think I'm using all the like my favorite products all the time. I need to try something new. So yeah guys, suggest me a good mascara. Like, I heard L'Oreal one is like perfect. It's so beautiful, and like Flower Beauty also. I ordered Flower Beauty one, but the mistake I did, I ordered in black. Oh sorry, I ordered in brown. So yeah, it's not coming that perfectly. But I can use that and then top up with that. My next favorite step is to apply lots of blush and highlighter on my face, so that like I'm keeping everything fairly simple. So I want to load up on blush like on my face, because who doesn't want a rosy cheek on a Diwali or wedding? Like, it's so pretty. Yeah, so for my like bronzer and like everything, what I will do, I will like what a quick tip. So if you don't have that much time, and if you are at shortage of time, so what you can do, you can take both the bronzers and blush at the same time, tap off the excess, and like do a little bit of swipe on your, and then so what it will do, it will give you a like warmth and like color to your cheeks. So I absolutely love that. And I will take the like highlighter which I used for my eyeshadow, and take it and highlight my face. Okay, it's giving me, I'm loving it. It's so pretty guys, I love it. So Even if you are keeping other things fairly simple, then like this is your savior. Apply lots of blush and highlighter and like give a very festive look to your makeup. आज मैं lip balm लगाना भूल गई अपने lips पे. Like I forgot to moisturize my lips. Anyways, for my lipstick I'm using Flower Beauty. इसका नायका haul I think it's up already up on my channel या शायद एक दो दिन बाद आपको दिख जाएगा. So you guys can check it out. It's a beautiful shade. It's a Flower Beauty shade. Like this is such a gorgeous shade, guys, that it will suit every skin type. I feel skin tone. Sorry. Guys, I'm back. I have not done anything to my hair. I just combed it. I put on little bit jewelry and I'm loving how this look turned out. It's so simple. You can achieve this makeup look in 10 minutes, and yes, like that is so perfect because we don't have any time. Like I can understand that. So yes. So guys, let me know what do you think about this look, and if you want me to do any more things, like any more videos like that or anything you have in mind, let me know in the comment section down below. I will do it for you. And yeah, the links for everything, and yeah, I didn't add it in the previous video, but for this one I will add. So thank you so much guys for watching. I love you all a lot. Bye, take care.